Let's make lentil soup. First up, the garlic bread. Onto a parchment paper-lined baking sheet goes a couple slices of Italian bread. Brush both sides with melted butter. Season with salt, garlic powder, and parsley. Bake at 400 degrees for 5 to 10 minutes, or until nicely golden brown and crispy. For the soup, into a small pot, oil, yellow onion, sweet Italian sausage. Season with salt and pepper. Cook over medium heat until no pink remains. Then add carrots, celery, and pepperoni. Cook for 7 to 10 minutes, or until the vegetables are tender. Pour in chicken broth and water. In goes your lentils. Bring up to a boil over high heat, reduce to low, and simmer for 1 hour. Into a serving bowl it goes. Parsley for a pop of color, the garlic bread on the side for dipping, and there we have it, lentil soup.